Hello, so this is another way to remove picture backgrounds with your phone, and I think I find this to be nearly the best option when using your Android device. So you go to, unfortunately you can't use a mobile app on this. You've got to use your browser, so you will need your internet. So you go to Remove.bg. When you go to Remove.bg, this is what you see. So you go to upload image. You select your image. You can see that this is what you see. Now it may not be very perfect, but this is so much more better than what we've always seen with some apps. When you look down here, you will see some images which I can crop off if I want. Then I go to edit. When you go to edit, you can also see a lot of options to download if what you want to do is just to change the background. But if you want to erase the background, you can increase your brush size or increase your offset or decrease your offset, maybe to get what you want. So you just play around that. When you get what you want, for instance, here now you can touch it a bit if you want. You see that you can touch it a bit if you want to. You play around it, and then you click on download. You download your image. Now your image downloads in PNG format. It downloads in PNG format. So once it's in PNG format, you can use it on your apps. You can use it on your apps. Okay, let's try that. Now this is Canva. So I want to make a quick design just to show you how it works. Then I bring in the image. Now look at that. Bring in the image. I can change the color of my background to anything I want. See how perfect it is. So that's on how you can make your design. So if you have a picture with plain background or with a less busy background, is always perfect. It's always perfect. What do we title this? Maybe we call it. Now you can write your stuff anywhere you want, and give it the best touch you want. Just play around, do whatever you want. All right.